people first.
Udukot kekenhuan Menteri Uba Dasakhiat Bha Lamare Menteri Berem Ketenat Kampo Yeng Uba HDR Lingdo bat unong mikmat berem Uba Mohendro Rapsang kilang ki Kyrtong ki blalek Thep Kyrteng mentagasngi banyakun hak election hak yang dorbat tauan kajela Uba Dasakhiat Bha Lamare bat Uba Mohendro Rapsang ki badai naga Seng NPP ki lalek Thep Kyrteng nan nongkrem bat West Geelong constituency. Henry Menteri Berem Ketenat Kampo Yeng yakun naga Seng UDP na Soyong constituency. Ki Kyrtong ke Seng Kongres ki Thep Kyrteng ki kentup ya Uba Neru Suting na penusla Uba Danison Kurba na mau plang Uba Marbut Dekar na maulai bat Uba Gopal Stone na mau senram. UMLA Berem Uba Don Gopal Masar ulah Thep Kyrteng kum Kyrtong Shimet na penusla constituency.
The moment I'm telling you now, this year election will be a very peaceful election. We have taken care everything in consideration. This is the first constituency where the CCTV has been connected to sensitive area directly to the police station. So that issue of security, issue of it's been taken care of.
It is the voice of the people now. The voice of people. They are crying. They are wanting that the party of the regional entity should rule the state now. The love and affection that the people has once again returned back to them. And definitely I will win.